You are barreling through a mountain tunnel in a foreign country, and suddenly your GPS goes silent. That spinning loading icon is the last thing you want to see. You know there are speed cameras hiding in the shadows nearby. This is exactly where most big name navigation apps fail us. They live and die by the data signal. But there is a massive player in the space called Radarbot. It has racked up a staggering 100 million downloads by solving that one specific nightmare. Most people treat their phone like a magic wand. They think it will always have a connection. The reality is much messier on a long road trip. Crossing international borders makes it even harder. Roaming data is often expensive or simply non-existent. This app stores its entire database of fixed cameras directly on your device. That means the alerts fire off even when you are completely off the grid. It is a massive differentiator. Most of us are used to apps that only pipe up when we are already breaking the speed limit. This one is different. It warns you about fixed cameras regardless of how fast you are going. It gives you that extra cushion of time to check your speedometer. It lets you adjust before it is too late. We are not just talking about basic speed traps either. The database covers an incredible range of categories. It flags average speed zones where your pace is tracked over several miles. It points out tunnel cameras and school zones where fines can be astronomical. It even includes seatbelt and red light cameras. There is even a category for helicopter surveillance. Most major apps handle that very inconsistently. Because the company behind it is based in Spain, the coverage across Europe is incredibly mature. It feels reliable. If you are driving to the winding roads of the Alps or the highways of Spain, it feels like an essential co-pilot. However, things get a bit more complicated once you bring it over to the United States. In the States, the app relies heavily on community reporting for mobile police alerts. If there are not enough people using the app in your specific area, that live data layer starts to crumble. Some drivers in America have reported driving hundreds of miles with very few real-time alerts. Some even deal with frustrating false alarms. There are also some technical glitches to consider. If you use integrated car systems to play music, the alerts can sometimes hijack your speakers. Then they fail to restart your music. It is a small annoyance that gets old very fast on a 10-hour drive. But here is the secret that experienced long-distance drivers know. You do not actually have to choose between this and your favorite navigation app. This tool is designed to run in the background as a specialized safety layer. Your main map can still handle the turn-by-turn directions. For about $30 a year for the premium version, you get that peace of mind. You have an offline backup. If you are a domestic commuter in a big city, your standard apps are probably enough. But for the world travelers and the long-haul road trippers, having a database that does not need a cell tower is a game changer. One of the most refreshing things about this specific tool is the stance on privacy. In an era where every piece of software wants to track your every move, this feels different. They do not sell your location history to the highest bidder. They do not track your movements for profit. That is a big deal for an app that needs your location to function. Even the free version of the software is genuinely useful. It has no time limits. You can test it out on a weekend trip without feeling pressured to reach for your wallet. It is about having the right tool for the specific territory you are covering. If you stay within your home city, stick to what you know. But if you are planning to cross borders or head into the mountains, this database is a serious contender for your dashboard. It proves that the truth is usually more interesting than the marketing hype.